In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button component in Figma. We will start simple and end with a reusable component you can drop into any design, plus optional variants for hover and pressed states. By the end, you will have a clean, flexible button that automatically adapts as your text changes. Begin by selecting the Text tool. The fastest way is to press T on your keyboard, click once on the canvas and type your button label, like Submit. Keep it short and action-oriented, so it fits well on smaller screens. Don't worry about perfection yet, just get the text on the canvas so we can wrap it into a proper button. Next, apply Auto Layout. With the text selected, press Shift+A. Figma instantly places your text inside a frame and handles the spacing for you. This is what makes the button smart when you change the label later. The button will grow or shrink automatically. Auto Layout also keeps content centered, so the label stays neatly aligned as the size updates. Now let's style the button so it looks like a real UI element. In the right panel, add a fill to the frame and choose a color that matches your brand. As you pick a fill, keep contrast in mind so your text remains easy to read. Then adjust the padding values horizontal and vertical to create balanced breathing room around the text. More horizontal padding gives the button presence. Consistent vertical padding keeps it comfortable and tap-friendly. Finally, set a corner radius. Something in the 8 to 20 range works well. Smaller values feel crisp and modern, while larger values lean toward a softer, pill-shaped look. Pick the feel that fits your design system. With the styling in place, turn this into a reusable component. Click the Create Component icon, the 4 small diamonds at the top center of Figma. This promotes your button frame to a main component. From now on, any copies you make will be instances that stay linked, so updates to the main component flow everywhere. It's a huge time saver and helps maintain consistency across your designs. If you want to plan for interaction states, add variants. Select your component and click Add Variant. Create versions for hover, pressed, or a secondary style. Keep the core structure the same and vary details like fill or corner feel slightly, so states are clear but cohesive. Organized variants make prototyping and handoff smoother. That's it. Thanks for watching.